Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to sync audio and video in the Instagram edit step by step. Now let's take this video, for example, and let's remove the audio from the video. As you can see, the video does not match the audio at all. Now what you want to do is really simple. Just click on the audio. Just click on the audio and play along in the timeline until you find the switch spot and it matches the video. Like this. Now it syncs with the video completely. When you are satisfied, tap export and finally share your edit. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.